Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can see your friend list to public on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on how people find and contact you. Next, you can see the option of who can see your friend list. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of public. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change who can see your friend list to public on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.